Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to start with chapter 1 of the history, what, where, how, and when. So, this is the last chapter that we are going to do under PT1. Or, as we already know, why should we study history? We should study history as it tells us about our past, gives us understanding about the ancient culture and lifestyle, and also help us to solve the problem of the present day world. So now we are going to start. What can we know about the past? So when we study about the past, we can find out what people ate, the kind of clothes they wore, the houses in which they lived, the songs they sang, the games children played, and many more other things. Next is, where did people live? So mostly when the people started living, they started living on the banks of rivers. So near the river valleys, because these rivers provided water for all purposes. Several 100,000 years ago, the people started living along the banks of river Narmada, and those who were living here were skilled gatherers. Next, near Suleiman and Kirthar hills in the northwest region, where the women and men first began to grow crops such as wheat and barley, and they also started rearing the animals like sheep, goat, cattle, etc. Then famous cities were also flourished on the banks of many rivers and their tributaries. Tributaries means the smaller rivers that flow into the larger river. सो जो इंदस रिवर है वहाँ पे काफ़ी सारी सिटीज़ फ्लरिश्ड हुई हैं. उसमें से एक एग्जांपल है मोहनजोदाड़ो. मे बी यू हैव सीन द मूवी रिलेटेड टू दैट. एंड सिटीज़ वर ऑल्सो डेवलप्ड ऑन द बैंक्स ऑफ रिवर गंगा. और उसी के साउथ में, द साउथ ऑफ द गंगा, देयर वाज वन ऑफ द पावरफुल किंगडम दैट वाज मगधा वाज ऑल्सो डेवलप्ड. नेक्स्ट इज ट्रैवलिंग. So people used to travel from place to place. So at that time the people traveled from one part of the subcontinent to other. They crossed many hills, mountains, seas, rivers, deserts, etc. and faced many difficulties at that time. So why did people travel at that time? In search of livelihood, काम की तलाश में, conquering other land, दूसरे एरियाज़ को जीतने के लिए, spirit of adventure, discover new and exciting places, escape from natural disasters like floods, droughts, etc. For trading purpose, religious teachings, जो उस टाइम के जो टीचर्स होते थे, religious teachers, they moved from place to place, village to village. They gave instructions and advice to the people. So whenever people moved from place to place, they shared new ways of many things like carving stones, composing music, and even cooking. Now the next is names of the land. Two familiar names, India and Bharat. India. So India comes from the Indus, that is Sindhu in Sanskrit. So about 2500 years ago, इरानियंस और ग्रीक्स आए थे इधर फ्रॉम द नॉर्थ वेस्ट, और वो यहाँ पे आके कहते थे हिंदोज़ और इंदोज़. तो उनके बाद से जो लैंड थी, जो लैंड टुवर्ड्स द ईस्ट ऑफ इंदस, दैट इज़ नोन एज इंडिया. द अनदर नेम भारत, used for group of people who lived in northwest, also mentioned in the Rig Veda. ऋग वेदा इज़ द अर्लीस्ट कंपोजिशन इन संस्कृत. जो ऋग वेद है ये हमारे हिंदुओं का सबसे पुराना वेद है, ओल्डेस्ट वेदा है. देयर आर 4 वेदास, ऋग्वेद, यजुर्वेद, अथर्ववेद एंड सामवेद. उसमें जो सबसे पुराना वेद है ऋग्वेद, उसमें भी जो ये भारत नाम कैसे पड़ा है उसके बारे में मेंशन है. सो आई होप टिल हियर एवरीथिंग इज़ क्लियर टू यू. थैंक यू.